everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do my makeup on a semi-regular basis. I'm going to be doing a sort of intense eyeshadow look today, so I hope you enjoy it. I'm going to be starting off by doing my base. I put on a primer. I'm not going to be specifying any products today because I'm not really loyal to any specific products, but if you did want to know which ones I used, then feel free to ask in the comments. So I put on my primer, I'm doing my base. I really like this particular brush for my base. This is the Morphe brush. I then went in with my concealer underneath my eyes, and I also went in with another concealer. It's kind of the same color as my skin tone, maybe a little bit darker around the contour areas, which is like on the sides of my face and around my jawline. And then I blended that in with my foundation brush. I find that using the foundation brush does good because it has a little bit of the foundation on it, so it blends out the base a little bit better. I then went in with a loose powder and set everything. I mainly go in and focus on the middle part of my face and then just take whatever's left and put it on the rest of my face. Then I went in with my contour. I did go in a little bit strong for this one, so you'll see that after I finish, I realize, and then I take my foundation brush and kind of blend it out. Then I'm going in with some blush. I'm really enjoying the MAC blush at the moment. And then my favorite part, the highlighter. I really love putting on a highlighter. I put on so much, and I'm just putting this on the normal places. Cheeks, Cupid's bow, nose and chin. Then I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty palette to kind of just pop some colors on and blend. I did like a makeup course ages ago and I really enjoyed it, but I don't really dabble with professional makeup anymore, so it's not really a tutorial. I just kind of wanted to share with you guys what I do, and I really enjoyed filming this one for you. And again, if you guys have any questions, please do let me know what your questions are in the comments below. But I'm just going to do the usual. I'm going to pop some eyeliner on, and I'm going to pop some mascara and stuff on. I'm not going to pop any lipstick on today because I didn't feel like it, but that's really the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.